up everyone? So today I'm gonna share with you guys what is in my winter FabFitFun box. This is a seasonal subscription box I love. I've been getting for years. I've been working with them for a while now. I've told you guys time and time again, this is a box that even if I weren't working with them, I would pay for with my own money and order. And it's actually the only subscription box I still get because I genuinely love it. I realized that one of the biggest things that gets me into whatever spirit of whatever season is coming up is when I get my FabFitFun box for that season. So like in the fall, when I got it a few months ago, it got me so pumped and in the fall mood. This is getting me very excited for winter. So I'm excited to share with you guys what's in this. And you can actually customize a lot of what you get in the box, which is really, really cool so that you're not getting a bunch of stuff you don't want or can't use. And in this box in particular, we're getting a lot of huge name brands that I was so excited about. So one thing I appreciate is that they have a light carbon footprint. They're using 100% recycled craft box and paper, which I think is so cool and so important. And they also always have a charity partner for each seasonal box. And this box's charity partner is Stand Up to Cancer, which focuses on raising awareness about how cancer patients are being affected by COVID-19. Okay, I'm gonna say something that you guys are gonna make fun of me for, but it made me feel very sparkly inside. And the things in this box make me feel sparkly inside. Like it's just like that holiday spirit. Oh, I love it. Okay, so let's start with the thing I'm the most excited about, and that would be these Lily Pulitzer mugs. You guys, are these not the prettiest mugs? You guys know I'm obsessed with coffee mugs. I have so many. These very well may be now my prettiest ones that I own. So the next thing is this duo set of Kate Spade earrings. These retail for $68. So there's a sparkly diamond looking pair and a pearl pair. I love that it's got the gold accents to go along with it. And I have to say, I like that they're bigger. I feel like you notice them and they're sparkly and they just look so gorgeous when you're wearing them. I'm so excited about these. I love little things like this, like FabFitFun. It just feels like a little gift to yourself, a little self-care. I also feel like this would make a great gift for someone that you know would be interested in a lot of this stuff. Maybe someone that doesn't always pamper themselves, you know? It is available in the US, Canada, and the UK, and all of the products that are sent within a FabFitFun box are full size. If you enjoyed this video, of course, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.